welcome to my channel. This is Grace Tutor, and I teach technical drawing students, and I provide very important information that you can use for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. You are watching my video for the first time, I appreciate you, and I want to ask you as a technical drawing student to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And very important, you need to practice this subject. Is a practical subject, and I'm doing this for you to be able to do it yourself. Okay, right now we are still working on this building drawing. We've worked on the plan. I think we have about 4 videos on the plan alone, unlike the ones that I did before where I completed everything at once. But this one I broke it down into different parts of the plan, and I think people have been watching it, and to God be the glory with the comments I've received. Okay, now I want to work on the front elevation of the building, as we are told in the question here that we should draw to a scale of 1:100 the front elevation. We have worked on the floor plan. Now we are working on the front elevation of the building. So I'm going to have just a video on this, and I'm going to explain it. I'm going to explain it very well and be able to understand it. So just follow me. Okay, we are going to work on the front elevation. So let's start. So this is the front of the building as we are given in the plan itself. So this is the front. This is where we have the veranda, and the type of roof that we have here is a gable roof. So this line that we have in the middle here, it is for the ridge. This broken line or this short dashes line that is drawn in the middle of the building here shows that this is a gable roof, and it represents the ridge of the roof, the ridge on the roof. Okay, then this short dashes line that we have around this plan is for the east projection. So east projection is the distance between the end of the roof, or the end of the ceiling, and the wall. The distance between the end of the ceiling and the wall, that is what we call east projection. So let's start. So when we are looking at this building in this direction as the front of the building, we are going to see this edge of the wall. We see this edge of the wall. We are going to see this window. We are going to see this edge of the wall. We are going to see this door. We see this window, and then we are going to see this window in the store. We are going to see this edge. There's an edge of the wall there. So these are the things that we are going to put in the front elevation of the building with the roof. So let's start. So I've done something like this before, but I'm just doing it for this work. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to draw horizontal line as the ground level line. So our ground level. So draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so draw horizontal line like this. So this line represents the ground level. So the ground level is represented is with GL as I've written it there. Then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so I said we are going to see this edge of the wall. So you have to draw a vertical line from here. So draw a vertical line from here. Okay, so then I'm going to see this window. So I'll draw a vertical line down. So I'll draw a vertical line down. I don't want to be repeating that, so I just want everything to be together at once. So that's why I'm taking it down like this with a vertical line. So then we are going to see the edge of this wall. Okay, then I'm going to see this door. So I will draw a vertical line at once. Now you are using a pencil, so you can clean all these lines when you are done. Okay, so I will see this window. I'll see this window. Okay, so I'll see this window here. Okay, so you just need to project vertical line from, so then I will see the edge of this wall here. Okay, then I'm going to see this window. Okay, so I'm going to see the edge of this wall, and I will also see the edge of this wall here. So all right, so these ones, so okay, they're okay there. So except this one, I need to bring it down. So I need to bring it down to the ground level. Also this, also I need to bring it down to the ground level. Okay, so with what I've done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so the floor level is different from the ground level. The floor level is, it can be above or it can be below. It depends on how the question is framed. But in this case, nothing is said about the floor level except the distance of the floor to the height of the height. I will explain that later. You may not understand that for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that for the floor level, so I will assume that the floor level is above the ground level, and I will take a measurement of 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters like this. So first of all, we are going to draw that with short dashes line. We are going to draw that with short dashes line. So this is it. Okay, so this represents the floor level. So I will put FL here. So floor level is represented with FL. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do now is that so in the specifications here under floor, we have floor to ceiling height. The floor to ceiling height is given as 3,100. 3,100, you can see it here. Floor to ceiling 3,100. So I'm going to take a measurement of 31, because if we divide 3,100 by 100, that will give us 31. So I will take a measurement of 31 millimeters up. 31 millimeters. So this is 30 to this is 31. So 31 millimeters. So you draw a horizontal line here. So here you draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so after you have drawn the horizontal line, the next thing to do is that you take your protractor. So what is the pitch angle? So the pitch angle is given as 30 degrees. Though they said double pitch with asbestos ribbon shade. So let's leave that. So 30 degrees. The pitch angle is 30 degrees. So here I will come here with my protractor. You can use your but I prefer my protractor. You can use your set square. So take a measurement of 30 degrees to this side. So this is 30 degrees. I followed. So this is 30 degrees like this. So this 30 degrees. So just take that alone and draw a horizontal line here. So here you draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so after you have drawn this horizontal line, the next thing to do is to take the east projection. What is the east projection? East projection as given here is 900 millimeters. So 900 millimeters by 100, that will give us 9 millimeters. So you come to this side from, this is the edge of the wall, from this wall here. So take a measurement of 9 millimeters. Take a measurement of 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters here, and you come here also, you take 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. So here you draw a vertical line. So you draw a vertical line here like this, and you come here, you draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so after this vertical line that we have drawn, the next thing is, so we have to, for the facial board, so the facial board is around here, just take a measurement of 5 millimeters for the facial board. Take 5 millimeters for the facial board. So draw a horizontal line from here. So this line now, I'm going to make it a thick line. I'm going to make it a thick line at once. So like this. So it goes to this end. Okay, it goes to this end. So the next thing I'm going to do is, so I need to extend this line with 18 continuous line a bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to from here, from this point. So if you look at the roof itself, so the roofing material is a little bit, goes a little bit beyond the ceiling. It goes a little bit beyond the ceiling. So let's take 3 millimeters for that. Let's take 3 millimeters for that. So from this point, you take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So this is 3 millimeters here. So here also you come here and take a measurement of 3 millimeters. This is 3 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 3 millimeters. So here you draw a vertical line. So I'll make it thick at once. So draw a vertical line here, and here also you come here and you draw a vertical line like this. Okay. Alright, so we are moving on. So the next thing that we are going to do is to take the ridge cap. So the ridge cap is the topmost part of the roof. So that is the last thing on the top of the roof. So just take like 2 millimeters for that. Take 2 millimeters for that. So you draw horizontal line. I will make it thick at once like this. So this represents the ridge cap. Okay, then I will make this line a thick line, which is the part of the ridge cap. Alright, so then I need to make this line a thick line for the fascia board from here to here. Okay, so this line will be a thick line. Okay, so this line will also be a thick line here. Okay, so this edge of the wall that I can see here, this will be a thick line. To be a thick line from here down. Okay, so the edge of the wall that I can see here also will be a thick line down here. Also, so we also have the edge of the wall here. So this will also be a thick line. Okay, so this edge of the wall will also be a thick line. Okay, so the ground level line, I will also make it a thick line. So make it a thick line. Like this from here to here. Okay, so I believe you can see that the building, the front elevation is coming out little by little. So the next thing to do is for us to put the windows. So I will do that in the next video. Thank you.